I can represent my generation so much because I honestly did not care what y'all did to God. But now, I cannot die. I can't leave until you straight. You know, I'm not suicidal. I can't go until y'all really know what time it is. And then after that, boom, it's all over. And we can see, how this is wrong. But that's how it is. Because if I can't live free, if I can't live the same I don't want to be free. Because God has cursed me to see what life should be like.
Trust in this world of sin. Your main job is to feed yours so you can win. So you can win, baby. So you can win. Your own fail can go against you. And that's just what it is, baby. And that's just what it is. And that's just what it is, baby. Make it hard to even think when they are full of sin. And don't forget, you tryna win. You tryna win, babe. You tryna win. You tryna win, babe. You tryna win. You tryna win, babe. You tryna win. Hey, you gonna win. Hey, you gonna win, babe. You gonna win. Hey, you gonna win, babe. You gonna win. Hey, you gonna win, babe. Trust in this world of 7 sin. Who can you trust when you really tryna win? Who can you trust when this shit can hit the fan? Hey, when this shit gon' hit the fan? Who can you trust when this shit gon' hit the fan? I treat my family like my friends. I treat my family like my friends. Hey, I treat my family like my friends. Hey, I treat my family like my friends. Hey, I treat my family like my friends, baby. Man, it's crazy. Man, it's crazy. Man, it's crazy. Hey, man, it's crazy. You make a way and all they say is that it ain't gonna work. They rather sit and listen, doing they boss paperwork. Hold on, paperwork. Hold on, I said doing they boss paperwork. Hey, 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 doing they boss paperwork. Hey, 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 I'm doing they boss paperwork. Hey, 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 doing they boss paperwork. Doing they boss paperwork, ayy. Doing they boss paperwork, ayy. Doing they boss paperwork, ayy. Who can you trust in this world of 7 sin, babe? Who can you trust in this world of 7 sin, babe? Who can you trust in this world of 7 sin, babe? In this world of 7 sin, who can you trust when you really tryna win? Trust when you really tryna win, babe. Who can you trust?